Alright, I want to show you what I've been up to. I've bought myself a 3D printer and I'm making some cases, standard instrument cases, 3 1/8, and I'm showing right here I've got an RPM meter, and it uses a stepper motor in the back. I'll try to show you. And it's hooked up to an Arduino computer over here and an Ethernet shield, and that hooks up to X-Plane. And all of the design work is done in AC3D. So here's an exploded view of the pieces that I've made. So the pieces are a bezel case at the top and a spacer between the glass. So you've got glass here, spacer between the glass. So it's right here. A faceplate. In this case RPM, but we could change this to anything we want. And then on the bottom down here is this piece, and it's just a little motor mount for holding a printed circuit board that I bought from this chap here called the Re-Engineer, and he charges $5 for that little circuit board, and it holds a stepper motor that comes from GM Autos and Ford Autos. They both use the same kind. I'll grab one off the shelf here. GM has 6 of these little X25, or in this case is an X27 stepper motor made by Swytec, and a Ford automobile has 4 of those gadgets. So yeah, it's just an AC3D, and when we finish the design we can pull down the menu. I don't know if we can see it. Yeah, we can see it here, and we're going to export it as an STL ASCII2 file, and that works with the printer that I bought. The printer that I bought is an Affinia, and it's sold by Staples here in Canada for 1,300 Canadian dollars. Well, I'm going to switch up to X-Plane here, and I'll show you how this all works together. So here we have a model of my own celebrity airplane, which unfortunately is up for sale at the moment, and I'm grabbing hold of the throttle here, the yellow knob there, and you'll see as the RPM goes up on the top left gauge, it's equaled on the RPM meter that I've just been made, or that I've just made the parts to. So I'm using a little program for the Arduino computer, and it's from a chap who's a Russian fella. He's written up, trying to find in all my mess here. I'll send you that address later, but he's written up some program there that runs on the Arduino computer and hooks into X-Plane. It reads the X-Plane's data refs that you've set in the network setting. So data input output, and here I've told it to send the engine RPM out over the universal data port, and I've also told it to send the airspeed, but I'm only showing one gadget right now, but I've run both gadgets at the same time. And then on the net connections, we go to the data setting here, and it tells us that we're sending out to this Arduino shield here that's over top of the Arduino computer. And that's all there is involved in the setup. And we can program the Arduino computer for as many inputs as we want. So this is a standard 3 1/8 instrument, and we'll just kill the power here. And the Swytec stepper motor will self-center itself on startup to its 0 point automatically. You can make it start up anywhere you want, but it automatically does that. I have no idea what made that kick up there. Well, that's what I've been up to.